What's the meaning of charlady? Charlady. Charlady.
Charlady. Charlady. A charlady is a female cleaner or housekeeper who is typically employed to clean and maintain households or offices. The term originated in the UK and was commonly used in the mid-20th century. The role of a charlady involves performing a variety of cleaning tasks, such as dusting, vacuuming, washing floors, and doing laundry. Although the term has become less commonly used in recent times, the job function still exists and is an essential part of maintaining clean and functional living and working spaces.